ano yung pinaka-turning point ninyo na it's okay to stop and at the same time parang what is that one thing you're looking for you guys to be a chronic poster again? Or do you think you've left that life behind? Tingin nyo ba parang, ay, hindi, okay na, I'm fine not posting so much online? Chess.
I'd say po, personally po, I stepped down po kasi for personal reasons kasi nakakapagod po talaga siya.
Yes.
Kasi, I mean, ako po, determined po talaga ako mag-post like every single day. But then, it came to a point na parang I'm just tired and I want to rest na talaga. So, parang for me, parang for me na lang talaga tong social media. For me, magpo-post ako if I want. Like, ako na, decision ko na to. Like, I don't
Right.
need to impress anyone or anything for that matter. Parang sa akin na lang po talaga.
Okay, sa galing desisyon. Kumbaga
Yes.
kung ayaw ko, ayaw ko.
Yeah.
Kung gusto ko, yun, popost ako ng ganyan.